Apple cider vinegar ACV has long been hailed as a health tonic, but its benefits extend far beyond dietary uses. This versatile liquid is packed with properties that can enhance your beauty routine in surprising ways. From skin care to hair care, apple cider vinegar can be a powerful ally in achieving that radiant look. Let's explore 7 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar and how you can incorporate it into your daily regimen. 1. Balances skin pH levels. One of the primary beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to balance the skin's pH levels. Our skin has a natural protective barrier known as the acid mantle, which helps to keep it hydrated and free from harmful bacteria. However, factors such as pollution, harsh soaps, and skincare products can disrupt this balance, leading to dryness, irritation, and blemishes. Apple cider vinegar, with its natural acidity, can help restore the skin's pH balance. By applying a diluted solution of ACV 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water as a T1 after cleansing, you can help tighten pores, reduce oiliness, and promote a smoother complexion. This simple addition to your skincare routine can lead to healthier, more balanced skin. 2. Natural acne treatment. If you struggle with acne, apple cider vinegar might just be the natural remedy you've been looking for. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties make it effective in combating the bacteria that cause acne. Additionally, ACV acts as an exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores. To use ACV for acne treatment, dilute it with water and apply it directly to the affected areas using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Regular use can help reduce acne breakouts and improve the overall clarity of your skin. However, it's essential to do a patch test first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively to the vinegar. 3. Soothes sunburn. Sunburns can be painful and damaging to the skin, but apple cider vinegar can help soothe the discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and irritation caused by sun exposure. Moreover, ACV helps to restore the skin's natural pH balance, which can aid in the healing process. To alleviate sunburn, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, and apply it gently to the affected areas with a cotton ball or soft cloth. The cooling sensation can provide instant relief, while the vinegar works to calm inflammation. Always remember to follow up with a moisturizing lotion to keep the skin hydrated. 4. Strengthens hair and scalp health. Apple cider vinegar is not just beneficial for your skin, it also works wonders for your hair. Using ACV as a hair rinse can help remove product buildup, enhance shine, and improve overall hair health. The acidity of the vinegar helps to close the hair cuticles, making your hair smoother and less prone to tangling. To create an apple cider vinegar hair rinse, mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Regular use can lead to shinier, healthier hair and a balanced scalp, reducing issues like dandruff and itchiness. 5. Fights dandruff. Dandruff can be a frustrating and embarrassing issue, but apple cider vinegar can help combat this condition. Its antifungal properties can effectively kill the yeast-like fungus Malassezia that contributes to dandruff. Additionally, ACV helps to restore the scalp's pH balance, reducing flakiness and irritation. To use ACV for dandruff, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, and apply it to your scalp after shampooing. Massage it in for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water. This treatment not only helps eliminate dandruff but also leaves your hair feeling fresh and revitalized. 6. Enhances skin brightness. If you're looking for a natural way to brighten your complexion, apple cider vinegar may be the answer. The alpha-hydroxy acids AHAs found in ACV can gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. This process reveals fresher, brighter skin underneath and can help diminish the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. To use ACV for skin brightening, create a facial mask by mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Regular use of this mask can lead to a more radiant complexion and improved skin texture. 7. Acts as a natural deodorant. The antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar make it an effective natural deodorant. ACV helps to neutralize odor-causing bacteria, keeping you feeling fresh throughout the day. Unlike commercial deodorants that may contain harsh chemicals, apple cider vinegar offers a gentle and natural alternative. To use ACV as a deodorant, simply apply diluted solution 1 part ACV to 1 part water to your underarms with a cotton ball. Allow it to dry before getting dressed. The vinegar scent will fade quickly, leaving you feeling clean and odor-free. This method is particularly useful for those with sensitive skin who may react to conventional deodorants. Conclusion: apple cider vinegar is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can enhance your beauty routine in numerous ways. From balancing skin pH and treating acne to improving hair health and acting as a natural deodorant, the benefits of ACV are both surprising and effective. As with any beauty treatment, it's important to do a patch test before using apple cider vinegar to ensure that your skin does not react adversely. Additionally, while ACV offers many benefits, it should complement a well-rounded skincare and hair care routine. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your beauty regimen is a natural and cost-effective way to achieve healthier skin and hair. So, why not give this incredible ingredient a try? With a little creativity, you can unlock the many beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar and enjoy a radiant, natural glow.